What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. Today is a beautiful day out here on the French Riviera, and of course everybody's out having their coffees, having their breakfast, having their cappuccinos, their espressos, and it's a beautiful. The other nice thing is it's the market day, which I'm gonna just come down and have a look, see what I can see. You never know what's down here today, so let's go have a look. Stay tuned because it's gonna be fun. Welcome to the market. Want some Arabic food? Get the kebabs. The good thing I like about it is you come down here, you have a look. If you don't buy anything, that's fine. It's always fun to go for the walk around. And also, I mean, my God, you should see all the different foods, everything. Yeah, I like to come down and sit and have a coffee somewhere. The nice part about this market is it's every Tuesday, every Thursday, and it's always jam-packed with people. And sometimes you can find some really good deals in here. You know, you get some cheap prices and some you can pay a fortune for. Some fake Gucci bags, Louis Vuitton bags. Yeah, it's always fun. Oh, what do they got?
Ça dépend de voilà, on va vous dire voilà.
All the fresh spices. Always love smelling that. Wish the camera could pick that up, but just keeps going down all the streets.
Allez mesdames, on va dire il y a plein de couleurs madame. Il y a tout ça.
Never know, you can find an old Rolex watch or something here, you know. It's always a challenge on what you see. You get all the silver, gold. Local fruits, local vegetables. Pretty damn good.
Pourquoi je vous fais sourire?
It's pretty cool when you can just walk around these tiny little streets that they shut down, no cars come down, and go over here. You can have your coffee, have your breakfast, and just come down and shop. You know, get your fresh fruits, get your vegetables, get everything you want. And I mean, God, look at the colors. Ooh. Look at the old man smoking the cigar right there while he's serving you. I get a lot of strange looks a lot of times because, yes, I use my scooter for my transportation, so it's always a challenge walking through all these people when you got this big scooter with you. And it's kind of funny because everybody just stares you down when you're walking with this big scooter. But me, it's my transportation. It's my way of getting around, and I absolutely love it. Ah ouais. Oh là là. And you just pousse. Juste pousse. Et combien?
Attendez, je vous dis.
10 euros.
Voilà.
10 euros.
Ça va, c'est pas cher.
Ouais, what she's saying here is she's got this
Mayonnaise, aioli, pâte à crêpes, blanc neige, mesdames.
this unique kind of whisk that you just push up and down, and yeah, you make all your sauces, and they're all thick right off the bat.
Vinaigrette, vinaigrette. Voilà, tout.
Ouais.
Blanc neige, tout. Hein.
Ouais,
Magique, magique.
ça c'est magique, bien sûr. Oh putain, ça c'est cool. She's basically can take a vinaigrette, mix it up, and then flip it upside down. Incredible.
Les blancs. Et là, c'est le jaune.
Ah ouais.
Voilà.
Oh là là. So she can whisk up the eggs and make it looking like this. Oh, that's incredible. For 10 euros. That's pretty cool. She's showing you a whisk that you just push up and down, and it does all the work for you so you don't hurt your wrist. I like it. It's kind of cool. I might get one of them.
Ben oui, non, mais les lieux, elles sont où là?
Et la raison un peu là-dedans, hein, Dominique. C'est peut-être c'est mieux ici que là-bas.
Je sais pas.
Je travaille pour m'occuper de nourrir la Ça, c'est les... J'en ai mis au ferrage, comme ça.
You have purification, very cleaning,
Yeah?
and you have a protection. Touch my window with your hand.
Oh, he wants me to touch his
With your
windows.
hand.
Let's see.
Yes, touch.
Oh!
You understand?
Oui, I understand. Bien.
With my product, your windows every time clean. You have the protection for glasses 1 month, 1 month,
Okay.
and for windows 6 months.
6
6
mois.
months, yes.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's for the shop. It's professional product. It's for the shop. You understand?
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
It's professional product. It's natural product. Natural, biodégradable et sans solvant. It's very good for the shower wall.
Ah
Shower
oui,
wall.
because I got the calage.
Calcaire, no possible.
Ah oui, and
Everything, you understand? It's very good for the car.
Yeah.
Inside. Very difficult inside.
Yeah.
You do with this, you have the protection for 6 months. You understand?
Yeah. And
And very shining. Very shining. Et-
now, alors, avec le soleil.
With the sun, no problem. I have many apartments in direct sea,
Yeah.
and they say me with my product very no trust.
No trust,
No trust. Very
no
clean.
film.
No. Incredible.
Ah ouais.
Transparent.
Transparent. So he's got this product here, and basically sprayed on the glass, and it's incredible. I touched the glass, like he's got one window right here, and just touching the glass feels like it's.
What do you
it's-
think? Try it.
It's an cleaning.
What do you think?
Let's see. I just cleaned my lunettes. Wow. Hold on. Alors. Oui.
You have a protection.
So, yeah, I understand. So you have a protection on any lunettes.
Any glasses, no problem. It's natural product.
Okay.
Il y a brevet. You have two brevets, Easy Lunettes, Easy Vision, but
Yeah.
it's the same product.
Okay.
It's small for glasses and big for the big house.
Yeah. So at my maison, I can use the bigger product on.
I'm not speaking this very well. You have the explication. You want purification,
Right?
very cleaning,
Yeah.
and protection. Is this?
Yeah. I see that. I feel.
If you have a protection here,
Yeah.
you take this, and not here. The protection come here.
Yeah.
It's clean.
I understand for that.
For your glasses, 1 per month, and for windows, 1 per 6 months.
Ah ouais.
You understand?
Ouais.
Oh, look. You have a explication of my product.
Look at this. So every 6 months, you'd only have to clean your windows once. And wow, that's incredible for one time for 6 months. Easy Vision, and it's all natural product.
I say you the price.
All right, he's gonna let me know what the price is here, because I'm very curious, because you have the sea so close to us right here. So he's gonna let me know what
The price. The glasses every time clean for 1 year,
Yeah.
10 euro. 10 euro.
Okay.
1 per month. You have 1 year. Your
Yeah.
glasses every time clean. More 1 year. 10 euro. 20 euro. You can do an apartment of 40 meters. Windows,
Yeah.
shower wall, the car, retrovisor,
Yeah.
mirror.
Yeah. All the
Mirror, very
mirrors.
good mirror.
Mirrors. Yeah.
20 for apartment 40 meter. If you buy 20, you have the 10 free.
Oh look, he's got
Free
some.
and best microfiber. Microfiber is the Rolls-Royce microfiber for glass.
Yeah.
20, you have just 10 free and microfiber. 50, you can do a big house, 200 meter.
Okay.
You can do protection windows, shower wall, car,
Yeah.
and 6 months later you do again. You have 1 year, a big house, big apartment.
Yeah.
It's 50.
D'accord.
If you buy 50, you have 20 free, 10 free, and other 10 free. If you have a free and eyeglasses, you want a good present, you offer Easy Vision.
Ah yeah. Here we go.
3, that's 3, and microfiber bamboo. Bamboo, best quality bamboo.
Can I touch?
You know,
ouais,
it's
ouais,
bamboo
ouais,
natural
yeah,
product.
Yeah.
50, everything. 100, you can do a very big house, 400 meter, very big house. You do that, and you do 6 months later again, 1 year. 100. If you buy 100, you have 50 free, 20 free, 2, 3, 1.
Okay.
Everything. You understand?
I understand completely.
It's
That's quite the
médaillé concours l'épine.
deal. Now,
Look. C'est one médaille concours l'épine.
Yeah.
It's a big competition of Foire de Paris.
okay.
New product,
Yeah.
concours l'épine.
Okay.
Une
Now,
médaille.
can you order online?
No online.
No online.
No.
Just here at the market.
My number here.
Okay, so
You call me and I can. I have client Belgium, Switzerland.
yeah, but I live in
I
Venise.
have client and I can do with the post.
Okay. All right. Well, that's interesting to know now. I'm quite impressed with that. And you know what it's like when you're trying to clean your car or your windows and it's a horrible thing. It's actually a good thing to maybe think about. Sit and have a coffee somewhere. Enjoy a bit of the sunshine that I have out here today. Just went around the market there, talked to a few people, guys wanting to buy things, but you know, I was just looking today. So now, got me a big fat croissant, got me my nice little cup of coffee, and it's gonna be good. Chilling right beside the beach right here, scooters there, chilling. And I just want to say, guys, if you like that video today, subscribe. You guys want to share it with a friend? Always appreciate that. And you know, if you guys haven't seen any of the other videos, I'll click a link down below. Maybe you can watch some of the other videos, see what you think. Thanks for watching from the French Riviera.
Je sais pas ce qui s'est passé avec